how to connect Echo Show 5 to Alexa app. So in this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Echo Show device into the Alexa app. So first, have your Wi-Fi password handy. You can also enable Bluetooth on your phone for an easier setup experience. And then download the Amazon Alexa app. If you haven't already, you can click this link to download the latest version of the Alexa app on your phone, and then plug in your Echo device. Plug in your Echo device into an outlet. In about a minute, Alexa will greet you and let you know the complete setup in the app. Open the Alexa app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If you're not prompted to set up your device after opening the app, tap the More icon to add your device manually. Once setup is complete, say Alexa to wake your Echo, and then ask for music, news, weather, and more, or ask Alexa, what can you do? You'll know Alexa is ready when the light ring turns blue. And that is how to connect Echo Show 5 to the Alexa app.